What's going on, guys? Andrew the Diecast Addict here, and today we are going to be unboxing the Hot Wheels XL cars. Well, two of them. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. I've literally had to use the ultra wide lens just to fit these cars in, but let's start it off with the El Segundo Coupe. I must say, to start off, it does have some weight for it, especially for like a plastic base car, but let's have a look. Next up is the 1983 Chevy Silverado. Also, while I'm doing a little walk around on this, I will say, after we're done with this, I will be comparing them to 1/64 scale cars. So let's start off with, don't know why my camera's doing that, let's start off with the El Segundo Coupe, and we're comparing it to a 1/64 scale Nissan 300ZX, Nissan 300ZX, Nissan 300ZX. Of course, obviously, the El Segundo Coupe is an XL car, so it's going to be a little bit bigger than 400Z, but overall, yeah, not bad. Still same sort of layout with plastic base, metal body, plastic wheels. Other than that, not bad. Also, one thing I notice is every single time I'm making a video, there's got to be some sort of like ambulance, police, whatever going past, and it just annoys me so much. But next is obviously Chevy Silverado and the El Camino from 1988. Again, similar proportions if they were 1/64 scale cars. And I must say, the Silverado does have a lot of weight to it for what it is, because it's a big body car, and also because this one has, I believe, metal base and metal body, even though it's not a premium. But again, not bad. I kind of wish that there was a little bit more detail on the bigger cars, obviously because they have XL premiums, but I kind of wish the XL mainlines had a bit more detail as well. But again, overall, not too shabby. Hold on, let me see if the 400Z can fit in the back. Yeah, sort of. Actually, wait 1 minute. Right, I'm back. We have two small cars to put in the back of the truck. We have a Golf GTI and a 356 Outlaw. Let's start with the Golf. Nope. Right, what about the the 356? You didn't see that. Right, let's try that again. Tiny bit better to an extent, but obviously won't fit fully. Well, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. I'm Andrew Diecast Addict. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace!